The following tutorial explains how to adjust the model axis and create margins on PrimeScan 2, PrimeScan, OmniCam, and Trio scans. Let's begin. To create a margin, start by opening an eligible scan within a treatment. Remember, this feature isn't available in the 3D viewer of our media gallery. Once you open the scan in the treatment area, you'll find navigation options at the top of the screen. This allows you to switch between model axis and margin. You'll notice that the model axis has been pre-aligned by our integrated AI. However, you can always choose to manually adjust it if needed. Next, let's look at the margin. The margin is also created by AI, but you have tools to adjust the curve manually if necessary. You can choose between manual and magnetic modes to fine-tune the curve to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, you can exit the window. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about NewD's core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.